Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at another product from Anker. This is a charger with a display that can go up to 140 watts. So let's just open it up. I don't think they give you much information in here. So 4 ports, PD 3.1 with USB-C cable included. So yeah, let's just open it up. So that's the charger itself, and I assume somewhere in here you have a charging cable from them and a manual. So yeah, let's see. Okay, how is the cable? That's a decent cable, braided, and I think it's pretty long. Yeah, so that's like, I think it's about 2 meters. This is metal, and it says 240, so that's rated, I don't know if you can see, up to 240. So that's a good cable they gave us. And let's have a look at the power, like at the charger itself. So they have it, I think, in different colors, but this is the dark gray, and that's where you have the ports. So you can see on the USB-A up to 33 watts, C3 up to 40 watts, and then you either can take 140 watts. And another thing I really like is that you can open it like this and close it, which makes it smaller, also prevents scratching other devices. And then this is where the display is. Obviously it's it will take fingerprints, and that's a button, a tap button. So in order to test it, we will have to take a socket. Sorry, I actually have an ugly one. So yeah, let's just plug it in and see what information is showing. So it says 140, smiley face, funny face. It's sleeping now, so nothing is charging. It doesn't have orientation, but if you tap this button, actually sorry, if you tap it, it looks like it goes through the modes and it shows you how is the thermal inside. Depends on how much you're charging. I don't know if you can see very well. Yeah, so that. If you double tap or press long, it will change orientation. So if you have a wall plug like this, it will go all over. So if you plug it in like that or like this, well, we'll leave it like that. So first thing, let's just try and use it. So I'm gonna use this cable that they gave us, and I'm gonna charge the 165 watts power bank, which is actually the same generation as this. They have the same type of display. So as you can see, that shows now that it's charging, and it's charging 40-60 watts. It's taking, that shows 64, yeah, so it's charging the same. Now it goes a bit down, it's just changing. It's also because it's almost full, so that's one reason why it's doing that. So now let's say I want to charge my laptop as well, because why not? So we'll plug in a laptop. I'm gonna use a shorter cable for this, and let me turn it on, because usually when it's on it consumes a bit more. power. Let me try not to drop it. As you can see, it's a Dell laptop that I'm charging, so I'm going to plug this in underneath. And now it's obviously recalculating. Hopefully you can see the display. Let me just quick. Not really, huh? Okay, now you can see it. You can zoom in so you can see a bit more details. So now you see it's using 48 watts to charge this power bank and 31 for the laptop. But I don't want to stop here. I want to charge also a phone. So I have one of these cables from Anker that splits the charge. So I'm going to plug it in into the 40 watts one. And you see now again it's splitting the signal. So it shows like that still goes up to 50, 35. So it's still charging my laptop just fine. But what I want to do is I want to charge two phones. So the first phone is an iPhone 15, which is still charging. And then a Samsung S25 Ultra. So let's see, that's charging, fast charging as well. And it's still charging my power bank, my laptop. And let's just see if we have also a USB-A, which we could use. So let's just try and charge some earbuds. So we'll plug that in, boom. And let's see what's going on. And we'll plug this in. And now it's probably recalculating. And then this is charging. The phone is charging. This phone, it's also charging. And it's also charging this with 1 watt. How amazing is that? So yeah, this is definitely my #1 charger now because it's amazing. As you can see, the temperature is still excellent, but it's slightly increased. It'll be interesting to see if all these are flat down and see how it works. Probably gonna want to try that another time. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it.